Are you thinking about buying or selling a home right now? With rates higher than they've been in 3 years, inflation, market unrest, you might be asking, who in the world is thinking about buying or selling right now? Who's in the real estate market? Well, here's what I know. People are selling homes and buying homes every single day. Hi, I'm Deb Mundy, Virginia Coast Homes, broker by Swell Real Estate. And here's what I know. Babies are still being born and employers are still requiring employees to move. Families are still moving to be closer to other family members. And unfortunately, sickness and deaths are happening. All these things are life circumstances that cause people to need to move, buy, or sell real estate. If you find yourself to be one of these buyers or sellers in need to buy or sell a home right now, what are the things that you should be expecting in the real estate market this year? We know that purchasing a home is going to be one of your largest investments, no matter how many times you've done it before, no matter the reason why you're doing it. You need an experienced professional realtor walking you through each phase of the process, making sure that your best interests are protected. We've been in the industry more than 20 years and we've assisted hundreds of buyers and sellers. Here's how the right real estate professional can ensure that you have a winning experience. First, we'll make sure that you're qualified to buy that home, so you're not disappointed at the end because you didn't have an upfront approval. Be sure to watch my video about approval versus pre-qualification, where I go into great detail about the difference and how it matters to you. Even if you've talked to a mortgage professional in the past, life's changes can affect the type of loan that's best for you and how much you could qualify for. You'll know things like what type of loan is best for you right now in your stage of life. You'll know how much you're going to qualify for, what it's going to cost you to get into that home, and exactly how much is this going to cost you a month. Principal, interest, mortgage, insurance, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're approved, we'll begin looking at homes that fit this particular phase of your life. And we'll make sure you're fully aware of those things that are important to you now. Maybe neighborhoods, schools, walking scores, all those things that fit your current lifestyle. We discuss anything that could be problematic with the home or the area that could affect the value later on. This is your investment, and we want you to experience the best return on your investment, whether it's your first home or your last, or something in the middle. Once we've found that home, we help you negotiate the strongest offer, the one that's going to be best for you and the seller. It's a fine line we negotiate for you. We have to make sure it's a win-win for both buyer and seller so that your offer is the one that gets accepted. Once your offer is accepted, then you're going to pay your earnest money deposit, which goes towards your final cost at closing. Then we start scheduling your inspections and appraisal. We are diligent at making sure that we meet all your contractual deadlines so that we keep your earnest money deposit safe and you're in no risk of losing it. It's super important after inspections to know exactly what is customary for the buyer to ask for and for the seller to pay. Also, for items that are a concern to you, it's important that we find out exactly what those things cost. Of course, we do that for you. We will be in constant communication with all parties to make sure that your best interests are always covered and we close on time. There are so many parts of this transaction. I could be here a long time talking about it. So to respect your time, why don't we chat? We could talk about where you are in the process, exactly in your stage of life, and ensure that you get the best possible outcome in your home buying or selling experience. I'll make sure you make the best decisions all the way based on our years of experience until we give you the keys to your new home. And the best part, become lifelong friends. And don't forget, if you're a buyer, the seller pays my fees, so you don't have to pay anything for my services. But I guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional on your side, on your team. So reach out if it's time to buy or sell, and we'll see how we can help you get into your new home. I'm Deb Mundy, Virginia Coast Homes, Swell Real Estate. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Make it a great home buying and selling day.